A few months ago, police departments across the country attempted to outdo each other in a lip sync battle.
And one of the departments that went viral was our own North Branford Police Department. Now take a look at part of their video and you're going to see why. It's so good. We could just keep watching it. There are several songs they do, and now they're part of an all-new show on CBS that premieres tonight.
Joining us now is Deputy Chief James Lovelace. We are so pumped for you, so excited that you're, first of all, on our show, and you're becoming stars like all across the nation, which is just great.
Yeah, it's pretty unlikely we didn't think of something like this happen, but yeah.
Well, I mean, you can tell this is like a real music video, what you guys do. Tell us how this came about and how it became so professionally done.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it was just more of a competition between departments when it started out, and that's all it really was.
Within Connecticut?
With nationally.
Nationally?
It was really going across nationally.
Okay.
And we had some departments in Connecticut, and we decided to get involved, and we really didn't know how we were going to do it, but we had some community businesses that stepped up and volunteered. Inspiration in Motion. I mean, we'd be filming this on an iPhone, really.
Yeah,
that's how we would have done it.
And we would have been holding it for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And what they put together, I mean, actually looks like a great music video.
It looks, every one of them is like a professional quality.
Yeah, they did a phenomenal job. Flip from Flip Entertainment, DJ, he mashed the songs together so it all mixed, and I mean, it was just unbelievable.
And you'll see in the video, there's so many people from the community. You've got little kids, you got a school teacher who helped choreograph for you.
Yeah, Judy Bannon, and I mean, our focus was really, we didn't want it to be about us. We really wanted to resemble the community, and that's why we went and got out and hit the local businesses, and I mean, that's really what our focus was for.
Karen and I have had our attempts at lip syncing for this to show up
we had to
last year.
memorize
We had to memorize songs.
It's hard.
It's incredibly difficult. Did you find it difficult?
Yeah, I mean, our outtakes, if you go back and look at them, I mean, it's just, you'd read the line and you'd mess it up, as soon as you said it the next time.
Isn't it true? It's right?
Definitely not an easy thing to do.
No, it's awesome.
So what it came out to be is even more remarkable. And to be on the national stage now with something we just did for fun with the community it's just weird.
So CBS started this show, and they've gotten thousands of videos submitted, and now you're picked. What does that feel like to have yours picked?
It's crazy, really. A small town of 14,000 people, a small farming, blue-collar community, and you pick our video and nationally. I mean, I thought someone, it was a joke at first.
No, so. The guys getting swelled heads, or is everybody keeping their? Tonight is going to be, it's incredible.
Yeah, I mean, we're having a viewing party in town. We just keep rolling this thing, and more involvement with the community at the auditorium. Everybody's invited to come, and we got a Twitter station set up so that they can vote, and it's just it's a great thing.
So people have to vote, and if you win some pretty big cash prizes.
Yeah, it was. I mean, wasn't what we went in for, and now they're talking cash prizes up $100,000.
Second place gets $50,000.
Yeah,
right?
It's unbelievable. So something so small that has a big possibility. So
people can join you tonight. Are you all having your own viewing party, or is it like a place where the public can go?
No, it's at the auditorium at the school, and everybody can show up, and there's going to be food trucks and all sorts of events going on. North Branford Intermediate School.
Nice.
North Branford Intermediate School. What was the hardest song to do, if they had to pick one?
They were all challenging. For police officers, I think they were all challenging. So.
Yeah, you guys did Happy, and then you did one, the little boy band one that you started.
Yeah, we did Backstreet Boys, and then we did a Luke Bryan. So it was fun.
Now, do any of you actually sing? Or no, it's just all. No. It's just all lip sync.
Nobody's leaving the police department to join a singing crew at this point. So
that's awesome.
Oh my gosh! And I love little outfits over. So you look like the boy bands. You got your uniform, so we know you're officers. But then the white shirts and the swagger. Did you all practice your moves at home before you did it?
That's what I mean. Judy Bannon from the school helped us choreograph the whole thing, and we had a leaf blower out there to make the shirts were. I mean, they came up with all this stuff.
That's what the wind was. It was a leaf blower.
And it was so hot out there. I mean, I could tell you, we just did like the worst month ever, but it was great.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, we wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's unbelievable. How many? You were in all of the videos?
I was in most of them, not all of them. Yeah, I really want this to be about the guys and the officers, so that they can get out and
Okay.
Well, we want everyone to come to the viewing party if they want, but it's really more important that they watch tonight because there's a social media interaction with the audience, and that's how you're going to win. So Lip Sync to the Rescue premieres tonight at 8 o'clock right here on Channel 3. Join in and help vote for North Branford. Thanks so much.